This hyena was cornered by a pack of wild dogs, but what it does next is genius. Australian photographer Mark Mole captured a breathtaking scene which had a pack of wild dogs cornered a hyena, leaving him nowhere to run. After being chased down to a riverbank in Sabi Sand Game Reserve in South Africa, the lone hyena was trapped by high ground on back, water in front, and 8 wild dogs bearing in from all other angles. Surrounded by the snarling canines, the hyena who was fighting for his life seemed to have little chance to escape unscathed. 8 wild dogs were terrorizing a lone hyena. While normally encounters like this are very fleeting, this one lasted for ages, and then the defiant hyena launched a valiant fight back. The hyena snarled in the face of his opponents and lashed out at the pack of dogs, thus breaking the dog's rank, and then events took an unexpected twist. The hyena, taking advantage of the dog's breaking rank, made a break for the nearby river and sat it out in the water. Remarkably, wild dogs were too frightened of the water to follow the hyena in, so they kept their distance and eventually forfeited the flight, sloping off to find something else to hunt for dinner. Mark Mole said, "The cackling and laughing sound of the hyena, coupled with the snarls of the dog squadron, were amazing to watch."